Let's learn some spellings of these animals. Let's get started. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. The dog is running in the park. Dog. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow. The cow is eating the grass. Cow. Cat. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat. The cat is looking at me. Cat. Owl. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl. This is an owl. Owl. Fox. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Fox. This is a fox. Fox. Duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. The duck is swimming in the water. Duck. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat. The goat is eating the grass. Goat. Frog. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. This is a frog. Frog. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Wolf. This is a wolf. Wolf. Horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. The horse is running in the field. Horse. Mouse. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. The mouse is running in the field. Mouse. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion. Lion. Bear. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. This is a bear. Tiger. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tiger. The tiger is roaming in the jungle. Tiger. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck. Giraffe. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Panda. This is a panda. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes on their bodies. Zebra. Koala. Koala. K-O-A-L-A. Koala. Koalas are cute little animals. Koala. Whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Whale. This is a whale. Whale. Snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. This is a snake. Snake. Rabbit. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbit. This is a cute little rabbit. Rabbit. Monkey. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkey. This is a monkey. Elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. This is a huge elephant. Elephant. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. This is a crocodile. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. This is a beautiful peacock. Peacock. So children, in this video, we learned some spellings of some of the animals. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more fun videos, you can go back to my channel and watch the other relevant videos. This is it for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye everyone.